and welcome to Carolyn's Cozy Kitchen. We're making a fruit parfait today, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to make a quick dessert that is healthy for your family. Even things like Cool Whip in the store are made with ingredients that can cause allergens, so it's an easy alternative to have your whipped cream made at home fresh. And if you have a couple loaves of pound cake, and you can even keep them in your freezer so that if you have some crazy thing that comes up pretty quickly, that you can take it out of your freezer or have it freshly baked. Cut it in cubes like this. I have my glass mixing bowl set, and normally what I do is I use my salad and berry spinner, and actually this is what I spin and clean my fruit and my vegetables in, and usually have a presentation in it as well. But I'm going to be using my glass mixing bowl set because this is something that I'm going to just have for my family today. So in my glass mixing bowl set, I'm going to layer pound cake, and I'm going to do it in layers, obviously. I'm doing pound cake, then I'm going to have a layer of, it's actually pudding mixed with Cool Whip. So you can, and it's not actually Cool Whip, it's whipped cream. And like I said, my son Noah made some more because they just like the whipped cream part of it. But you mix the whipping cream, which look at how good this looks. This is like crazy good. Sorry, it sounds weird, but it's good. Anyway, homemade whipped cream is real good. It's very inexpensive to make, and it's not bad for you. So you put the pound cake, you mix the Cool Whip or the whipping cream and the pudding together, and you put a small layer of that over your pound cake. This will actually look pretty too. When you're serving to guests, you want something that looks pretty, so it's always good to use really nice bowls and really beautiful fruit and nice colors. So you put the pound cake, you put the Cool Whip or the whipped cream and pudding mixture, and then you can use whatever your preference in berries is. I actually do several different kinds. I use strawberries, I use blueberries, and I use boysenberries. You can use a quick chop if you want to make your berry pieces smaller, but I actually kind of like the bigger pieces of fruit in mine. So, like I said, you can use whatever kind of berries you want, but the prettier the berries, the better, as far as I'm concerned. And it being summer, it's always easy to find fresh fruit, whether you buy it at the store or whether you go to your local farmers. Let's see. And this is a smaller bowl, like I said, but it's better for my family because otherwise I might just eat more of it than I should. So this way you're getting fruit, you're getting pound cake, and you're getting pudding and whipped cream. And it looks pretty, and it's easy to do. You can get silicone bowl covers for your bowls here, but I actually won't be using that because we're gonna be eating it for lunch. So it's easy to do. So do my blueberries, strawberries, and then thanks to Noah, we'll probably top it off with some whipped cream, just by itself. Let's see, I actually could do more. But the one thing I like about doing it this way is that it is fast. And like I said, you can make a dessert that's healthy and quick, and you don't even really have to be prepared. I mean, you can be told that you're having a potluck at church or somewhere else really fast, and you can come with a presentation of a great food product that people will think that you've spent a lot of time with. So, okay, so there's the cake part. Everything that you see me make in Carolyn's Cozy Kitchen, actually the things can be put into the dishwasher, so it's very easy cleanup. And then I always top off my dessert with, I'll say, the prettiest of the berries. And for 4th of July coming up, you can just do a red, white, and blue dessert, which is kind of fun. And present them well, and you could be good. So watch this. And like I said, you can use any kind of berries you want. Some people prefer just strawberries and blueberries, and that actually works really well. But the beauty of the salad and berry spinner is that your fruit doesn't get damaged, and it doesn't retain the water that makes it kind of get mushy and bad soon. So it works out really nice. And watch this is our second batch actually of whipped cream. Thanks, Noah. Let me show you what I'm gonna do here. And I'm gonna put, so this is something actually my grandkids even like to do. Come over and make whipped cream because it tastes good. And you can do it easily. And like I said, you would be surprised in products like Cool Whip the kind of ingredients that are in it. So this is just heavy whipping cream, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. You can put any other kind of flavorings. I know some people put maybe liqueurs in it or something like that. So it depends on what your taste is, but just vanilla, powdered sugar, and whipped cream. And voila. You have a pretty dessert in no time at all. And I guarantee you that your family will be very happy. So come on over to Carolyn's Cozy Kitchen anytime, and we'll see what we have next week. Have a nice day. Aloha.